On this video, we're going to go over all the camping that we've done in the 2021 seasons, starting with our goals. Our number one goal, stay at 2 harvest hosts. Unfortunately, we didn't get to do this. We only get to stay at 1 harvest host, but it was a good one. Casey Jones down around Hopkinsville, Kentucky. It's a distillery, and we really enjoyed it there. Had a nice area, big field area that you could park several vehicles in, and we enjoyed this on our way to our Reelfoot Lake camping trip. Didn't get a lot of rain, but it was kind of nice just to sleep with that. And our number 2 goal, stay at 1 new Kentucky State Park. Well, this year we stayed at actually 2, but we stayed at Taylorsville Lake State Park for the first time. We had a good time there. We actually liked it so much that we went for a second night. Well, this was early in the year here, and we got to hear the peepers going. Here we came for our second trip later in the year. We took another site. We enjoyed it. Got to use the bike a little bit. And then our other site we had never been to was Dale Hollow Lake. It's at the southern part of Kentucky. And we enjoyed some beautiful sunsets and sunrises here. And for our third go, camp a new out of state park, and we ended up checking out Reelfoot Lake down in Tennessee, and we really enjoyed it. It was probably one of our best camping trips of the year. Our site butted up right up against the lake, and we got to see the sunrise every night. It was beautiful. Another thing we loved about this place is you got to see so much wildlife right outside your window. You're sitting in here cooking breakfast, and you can look out and watch the ducks play, and you actually see there are a few snakes in the little bay that's by our campsite. And this was another go of ours, camping a new state. We didn't get to do that this year, but we'll definitely put that on our list next year. We just got busy doing other things and didn't get a chance to do that. And for our final goal was explore new places. We always like to explore new places, and this year we got to go to Sycamore Springs, which is a private park in southern Indiana. It was a really nice trip down there, and we'll definitely come back to this spot. Sycamore Springs had a lot of nice campgrounds right next to the river, and they also have a big area around the lake. as usual, we wouldn't have a good camping ground if we didn't go to some of our favorite places. And we got to actually go to Dog Creek, which is down in central Kentucky. It's a Corps of Engineers spot. We did a summer camp there and got to do a little swimming and fishing. Always get some amazing sunrises there. And that's about all I have, and I'll let you know, see what your goals are for 2022. And we've had a great year this year, and next year we'll set our goals again and head on out. I hope you all had a good year, and we're looking forward to 22 as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, give us a like button and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and hit that bell, and we will see you on our adventures coming up in the new year.